When to use DigitalOcean Droplet Snapshots is a crucial aspect of managing your cloud infrastructure effectively. In this guide, we will walk you through the key concepts and best practices of using Droplet Snapshots. Firstly, it is essential to understand what a Droplet Snapshot is. A Droplet Snapshot is a copy of your DigitalOcean droplet at a particular point in time. It captures the entire state of your droplet, including the operating system, installed software, and data. You should use droplet snapshots in several scenarios before making significant changes to your droplet, such as updating the operating system or installing new software. Take a snapshot. This allows you to revert back to a stable state if something goes wrong. Another scenario where droplet snapshots are useful is when you need to duplicate a droplet. Instead of creating a new droplet from scratch and reinstalling all the software, you can simply take a snapshot of the existing droplet and create a new droplet from the snapshot. Droplet snapshots are also useful for backing up your data. Although DigitalOcean provides automatic backups, taking snapshots at regular intervals provides an additional layer of protection against data loss. In terms of best practices, it is recommended to take snapshots regularly, ideally once a week. To ensure that your data is up to date, you should also store your snapshots in a separate region to protect against regional outages. In conclusion, droplet snapshots are a powerful tool for managing your DigitalOcean infrastructure. By understanding when to use them, you can ensure the stability and integrity of your droplets and protect against data loss. By following these best practices, you can get the most out of droplet snapshots and improve your overall cloud management experience.